Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. So in this video I would like to explaining in detail on MCQs onto the grinding machines, and this is our session number 1 for the grinding machines. So up to now we completed with the MCQs onto the basic metal cuttings, then MCQs onto the lathe machines, drilling machines. Now we will start with the grinding machines. So if you prepare for some examinations like GAT, UPSC, GPSC and all the government examinations, subscribe my channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. Start with the question number 1. The material which holds the fine grains of abrasive material in grinding wheel is called as option A compound, option B bond, option C hold, option D none of the above. So basically by the application of bonds, fine grains of the abrasive materials in grinding wheels that will be held together. So that bonding between the consecutive, or you can say all the grains for making a grinding wheels. So the option B bond. Then next question. Which process is used for grinding spline shaft? So that will be the special applications. Option A external cylindrical grinding, option B internal cylindrical grinding, option C surface grinding, and option D form grindings. So basically if you want to make a spline shape onto the shaft, you can say one kind of form, or you can say shape it will be generating. Suppose that will be our cross sectional area, just you can see onto the shaft. So such kind of splines it will be the, so such kind of spline it will be generating onto the shaft. So you can use the form grinder. So according to that shapes, that form grinder is being used for making cutting operations. So for these questions, option D from form grinding process is used for grinding spline shaft. The next question. The case of glazing of grinding wheel is option A grain size is too fine, option B wheel is hard, option C wheel speed is too fast, and option D A and B. So basically grain size is too fine and as well as the wheel is hard for glazing of grinding wheel. So both the option A and B which is correct. So according to these questions, option D A and B both. So C is not responsible. So D, A and B. The next question. As per ISO Indian Standard Organization, the grain size 46 comes under the group. So basically for 46 numbers that will be comes under the medium size of grain size. So B medium. So if you want to learn in details about some standardization grinding wheels, so you will find a link in my description box, and that will be the important theory for all kind of MCQs onto the grinding machines. Now next question. Balancing of wheel is done to option A make the sides of the wheel parallel, option B make the outside diameter concentric with the bore, option C equalize the weight in every position of the wheel, and option D none of the above. So basically balancing of the wheel is to be equalize the weight in every position of the wheel. Then we will increasing the characteristics, or can say performance of the particular wheel for the cutting of the job. So the right answer is equalize the weight in every position of the wheel. The next question. You have to select a grinding wheel with suitable abrasive to grind glass. What is the type of the abrasive you will select? So the option: A. Diamond, B. Emery, option C. Quartz, and option D. Silicon carbide. So basically, for selection of the grinding wheel with suitable abrasives to grind a glass, so that would be the special applications to grind a glass. So generally we will selecting a diamond materials as a grinding wheel materials. So option A, diamond. Then next question. Which one of the following cutting fluids is used during grinding on mild steel? Option A, mineral oil, option B, non-synthetic cutting oils, option C, soluble oils, and option D, paraffins. So basically our cutting fluid with respect to our mild steel material. So mild steel material, that will be easy to cut and that will be not affected by the environment. So generally we are using soluble oil for cutting onto the mild steel materials. So the option C, soluble oils. Then next question. Snagging is a process used to remove the metals by option A, filing, option B, hacksawing, option C, chipping, and option D, grinding. So basically snagging is the process to removing the cracks or micro cracks onto the surface. So you can use the grinding to remove that particular metals onto the surface. So right answer is grinding. The next question. The grade of a grinding wheel is specified by letters from A to Z. Which one of the following refers to the hardest grade? So the option A, E, option B, J, option C, P, and option D, Y. So generally for A to Z, just you can see A to H, that will be for the soft materials. Then I to P, that will be for the medium, and Q to Z, so just you can see Q to Z, that will be for the hard materials. So according to that dividing symbols, here E, that will be the category of soft, J, that will be also category of medium, P, that will be also category of medium. So option D, Y, that will be into category of hard materials. So the right answer is D, Y. Then next question. Which among the following is an artificial abrasives, or you can say manufactured abrasives? Option A, aluminum oxide, option B, emery, option C, diamond, and option D, corundum. So basically aluminum oxide, that will be manufactured, so you can considering as a artificial abrasive which is used into the grinding wheel to cut the materials. So the option A, aluminum oxide. So if you like this, then subscribe and share Modi Mechanical Engineering tutorials. Thank you so much and keep watching.